Donald Trump signs an executive order forcing pharmaceutical companies to bring down the pricing, the cost of their medications to the most favored nation status. What does that mean? I'm Dr. Hassan. Let's get into it. For many years, the world has wondered why prescription drugs and pharmaceuticals in the United States of America are so much higher than price than they were in any other nation. The executive order signed today reduces the cost of certain medications. Yes, this is important. Certain medications from Medicare and Medicaid, as well as the weight loss medications, to the most favored nation status. That means that pharmaceutical companies will now have to reduce the cost of these medications to the most favored nation. So if they pay 5 cents in India and they pay $50 in America, that cost of that medication, according to this executive order, should come down to 5 cents. He attempted this in his first administration. It was blocked by the judges and the courts. It was challenged by Merck, Pfizer, and other pharmaceutical companies, citing that they might decrease in their R&D, they might not be able to discover new medications, and they might lose profits and not be able to, make the same medication. There is also concern from analysts that the pharmaceutical companies could potentially circumvent the cost of these medications by artificially increasing it in other countries and then offering rebates to kind of get around the loophole of this executive order. Not to mention that most likely the pharmaceutical companies are going to challenge this in courts. Now, the courts have shifted in the past 4 years, so we'll see how it plays out. Finally, this does not cover all medications. It only covers Medicare, Medicaid, and weight loss medications as of right now. I think that's not going to affect the average American immediately, but it is an opening salvo. We'll see how it plays out in the courts. It's very interesting. It could potentially change the shift in power from large pharma to, the average American. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment below. I love you guys. This is breaking news. Absolutely mind-blowing, but we'll see how it goes. Medications they drastically need to decrease the prices of. I can think of 3 or 4 off the top of my head, starting with the hematology oncology medications. Leave me a comment below. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.